So going to design and parameters tab, light key in bottoms, it means that some of the quantity of methanol will go in the bottom product, and heavy key in distillate, it means it will be water. Now what is this mole fraction? We have no information about it because we are given the percentage recovery of methanol and water. So I will take you now to the Excel sheet and we will compute these values over there. So as you see, I have prepared an Excel sheet in which molar flows, which are in kg mole per hour, and mole fraction is given. The feed in which methanol water, and the sum of these two is our total feed. Similarly, the top product which contains methanol water and the total is mentioned over here. Similarly for bottom product, and here the mole fractions are mentioned as well. So total feed is 500 kg mole per hour. 45%, if I can show you the formula, 45% of this feed is methanol and the 55% of this feed is water. Now we have been given the information that the percentage recovery of methanol required in the top product is 99%. It means 99% of methanol in the feed is going to the top product and 95% of the water in the feed is going to the bottom product. So 222.75 kg mole per hour out of 225 is going to top side, while the 261.25 kg mole per hour of water out of 275 is going to the bottom product. It means the remaining amounts are going to top and bottom product respectively. Means 275 minus 261.25, this amount is going to the top product. Same here for methanol, that 225 minus 222.75, 2.25 kg mole per hour is going to the bottom product. A sum of these two means 236.5 kg mole per hour is our quantity of top product, while the remaining quantity is of bottom product. Now we have to compute the mole fraction. The mole fraction is calculated by simply dividing methanol by the total amount. It means it is 0.9419. Similarly, 13.75 divided by 236.5 gives us information about the mole fraction of water in the top product. As you see that methanol recovery is 99%, but mole fraction is 0.9419 in the top product. It means the purity is 94.19%. So I hope you understand the difference between the percentage recovery and percentage purity, that it is 99% recovered, but the percentage purity of top product is 94.19%. Similarly, I will just copy paste it and paste it over here, and it will take automatic formulas from this side. And as you see, 95% water is recovered, but the mole fraction of water in this stream is 0.99. It means that 99% water is obtained in this stream. So what we will do, this methanol is light key which is going into the bottom is 0.0085, and the water which is the heavy key is going to the distillate. So we will use these values. So please do watch the video, like the video, share with others, and subscribe the channel Aspen Tech. Till then, it's goodbye. Stay tuned.